Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Steve Brooks, a Florida wrongful death and personal injury attorney practicing here in the state of Florida. Today's video tip is about ATV accidents. First of all, what is an ATV? An ATV is an all-terrain vehicle. It's those little 3- and 4-wheel vehicles that you see in commercials, or you may see kids driving alongside the road. They're fun, but they can also be very dangerous. The question I get asked most frequently is, if someone is injured in an ATV accident, who's responsible? Who's liable? Well, that's not as easy to answer as in, say, an average motor vehicle case or a truck accident case. With a car accident, you have insurance on the car and the driver, and normally you look directly to that insurance for recovery. With an ATV, it's a whole different ballgame. Many times with ATVs, you look for the property owner that the ATV was on at the time of the accident as a potential defendant. Because if the property owner let somebody ride an ATV on his property knowing there were dangerous conditions on the property, there may be some exposure on that property owner. The other thing that you look at is sometimes you look at the homeowner's policy for the owner of the ATV. Many times those policies will cover a person who was injured in an ATV accident. And of course, you can always look to the owner's own personal wealth. If an owner lets a young kid drive an ATV, a neighbor kid who possibly should not, without proper supervision, been allowed to do that, then that owner is exposing himself personally to a potential judgment in the event that that young child is injured and the neighbor who owns the ATV gets sued. There are other instances where there is actually a product liability case. A product liability case is a case where a product is defectively designed or manufactured. Those are rare cases and usually involve bigger claims because they're so expensive to pursue. We have offices throughout the Tampa Bay and Central Florida region that see these kind of cases all the time. We're familiar with these cases. If you know somebody that's been injured in an ATV accident, please call us. We're here to help you. My name is Steve Brooks. Our phone number is 1-888-936-3264. That's 1-888-WE-MEAN-IT. Thank you for joining us today.